Yeah, now here's where we would start finessing that throttle back just ever so slightly.
I just pulled just a little.
Yeah, just a little. See if that does it. Every day is different. That's the crappy part about flying.
No, that's the wonderful thing about flying.
Yeah, I never get to do the same thing twice. Now that was a landing.
I liked that one, buddy. I honestly liked that. That felt really comfortable.
Do it again. Do it again. Can you please do that every time?
Yes.
Alright, then stop.
Where am I going?
To the pumps. We've been coming in a little fast and that works. So keep doing it. If it's working, keep doing it. I'd rather you come in fast than slow. And 2 Lima Charlie's going to get off at Bravo, go to the pumps.
Cessna 2 Lima Charlie, roger, turn left taxiway Bravo, cross taxiway Alpha to the pumps.
Alrighty, cross in Alpha to the pumps, 2 Lima Charlie. Just pull up to one of the pumps, I don't care which one, we're not actually going to get gas. Yeah, those feel a little better, a little bit more smoother.
Yep.
Not as many adjustments. You're keeping it nose down all the way to ground effect, which prevents you stalling earlier. Let her roll out. Alright, let's go ahead. We'll shut her down real quick because I got to sign all your stuff. So music, mixture, master, match.
Alright, here we go. There goes nothing. First solo by myself. Should be fun and interesting. Fixtures on idle for taxi. Oil pressure's good. Taxi lights are on. Avionics are on. And flaps are up. And transponder is on altitude.
Cirrus 451 Sierra Romeo, thanks for your patience. Turn
Georgetown ground, Cessna 422 Lima Charlie at the pumps for departure on runway 18. Touch and go, please.
November 422 Lima Charlie, we just put Mike on. Do you have the information?
I will get the information real quick.
I'll give it to you. The wind is 180 at 8, altimeter 3013, and the lowest layer is broken at 2,800. Runway 18, taxi via Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha, 422 Lima Charlie. On, strobe lights on, brake it's on. Alright, I've been thinking about this for a long time. And thinking about what to do. I know what to do. Not exactly the day that I thought it would be to do this on, but I want to get it done. And I've just greased the last 4 or 5 landings, 3 landings or so, which is much better than I did earlier. So let's see what happens. it seems so windy and bumpy, but it's blowing sideways on the plane. Blowing almost right down the runway. But a little fast.
Cessna 422, Lima Charlie, left close traffic, runway 18 approved, runway 18, clear for takeoff.
Left close traffic, runway 1. Clear for takeoff, 422 Lima Charlie. I was going to try and repeat that, but I got enough on my mind right now. I know what to do. Left traffic, clear for takeoff.
And 62 Delta is going over the jet center.
Bonanza 62 Delta, roger, taxi via Alpha Echo to Georgetown Jet Center, monitor ground 119.12.
Alpha and Echo and over to ground 62 Delta, have a good day.
Here goes nothing. Center line, heels on the floor, right rudder, full power. Speed is alive. 50. 60. Start to rotate. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am flying an airplane all by myself. Climbing out of VY. I wonder if Grant was watching me. Well, I know he's watching me, but that's funny. Alright, we're going to maintain the center line, fly out. We're going to keep climbing until 1,300 feet where I can make a crosswind. And you're at 1,300 feet, turn left crosswind. Standard rate turn. 14. $80 knots. 16. Not going to get in a hurry. Go ahead and turn back downwind. And coming up to 1,800 feet, I can start pulling some power. No crazy turns. Now I got up to 1,900 feet. Need to come down a little bit. Georgetown Tower, Cessna 422 Lima Charlie, reporting midfield.
Cessna 422 Lima Charlie, runway 18 cleared for the option.
Clear for the option, 422 Lima Charlie. Alright, I'm very comfortable. I don't feel nervous. I got my numbers. We're going to go back to 1,500 RPM right here. We're going to set it 1,500 and give myself 10 degrees of flaps. Got a balloon. There's my 1,500. No need to mess with it. Go ahead and turn base. 80 knots. The nose pointed down. $75 knots. Everything's good. Alright, 20 degrees of flaps, pushing the nose down. Lights are on, everything's good, 70 knots. Go ahead and turn final. 1,500 RPMs, everything's looking good. A little high, which is fine. Pull a little power because I am very high. Pull a little power, see what happens. Still high. Maintain 70 knots. Gotta see what happens. I'll take that all day long. 60 knots. There's one. $1,400 feet. Alright, here we are, 1,800 feet. Alright, I got a little wacko out of that one. But I got my 4-flight recording. Georgetown Tower, 42 Lima Charlie, reporting midfield.
Cessna 422 Lima Charlie, wind 180 at 10, runway 18, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option, 42 Lima Charlie. Alright, here we are, numbers. Gas, undercarriage, mixture, power, flaps, straps, and seatbelts. 1,500, 100. Turning base. .20 degrees of flaps. Wind is going to be blowing me a lot further down. Don't get slow. That was amazing. All right, let's do one more. It's amazing when you're doing something and you've done it 50, 60 times and you think you're doing it right, but then you do it that one last time and something just goes click. And while I thought I was landing okay before, and I was making it, but something today went click. Now let's just do it a third time and make sure that I'm not crazy. But today something went click. Alright, gas, undercarriage, mixture, fuels on both, fuel shut off, mixture's rich, power set, strobe lights are on, or lights are on, and seat belts and switches are all set. Everything's good. We are prepared to land. Georgetown Tower, 42 Lima Charlie reporting midfield. I'm sorry, let's make it a full stop this time.
Cessna 2 Lima Charlie, wind 180 at 11, runway 18 clear to land.
Clear to land, 42 Lima Charlie. Alright, here we go. I got my numbers beamed. We're going to go to 1500 RPMs. Today's weather. There's 1500. I'm at 100, so I'll give it 10 degrees of flaps. It's going to balloon, or we're going to stay noise down. There we go. Pitching for 80. Alright, we can turn down base. Wow, I lost my train of thought. We're right back to wings level. We'll add 20 degrees of flaps. Now we're going to pitch for 70. Alright, a little high, which is fine. Do that over the runway. Got a 65 knots, 400 feet a minute. We're going to fall right into this runway. No reason to change anything right here. We're doing great. Numbers are staying right where I want them. We're going to fly right to the ground. Georgetown Tower, 2 Lima Charlie, going to go to the pumps.
Cessna 2 Lima Charlie, roger. Turn left taxiway Bravo, cross taxiway Alpha to the pumps. When you're done at the pumps, contact ground 119.12.
Roger, turn left on Bravo, taxi via Alpha, contact ground at contact ground when we're done. 2 Lima Charlie. Tower, thanks for all the help today on my solo. I appreciate it.
Went pretty well, didn't it?
Loved it.
Well done, sir.
Thank you.